What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at some of Amazing Tech Gear Inventions on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 5, DJI Mini 3 Pro. Unlock the skies and capture breathtaking moments with the DJI Mini 3 Pro, the latest addition to DJI's renowned lineup of drones. Packed with advanced features and cutting-edge technology, the Mini 3 Pro redefines what's possible with a drone in its weight class. From stunning 4,000 video to intelligent obstacle avoidance, this drone is designed to take your aerial photography to new heights. Ultra-portable design. Weighing less than 249 grams, the DJI Mini 3 Pro is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. Its foldable design ensures easy storage and transportation, allowing you to take it wherever your creativity leads. High-quality imaging. Capture your world in stunning detail with 4K, 60 fps video and 480p photos. The advanced camera system boasts dual native ISO and an f1.7 aperture, ensuring high-quality imagery even in low-light conditions. True vertical shooting. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro features true vertical shooting, allowing you to capture perfect portrait shots with ease. The gimbal rotates 90 degrees, ensuring that you never have to compromise on image quality. Extended flight time. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes, giving you ample opportunity to explore and capture your surroundings from a unique perspective. Number 4, Yaever T1 Mini Pocket Pico Projector. Discover the future of portable entertainment with the Yaever T1 Mini Pocket Pico Projector. This innovative device combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design to deliver an unparalleled viewing experience wherever you go. From its ultra-thin profile to its advanced features, the Yaever T1 sets a new standard for portable projectors. Ultra-thin design, measuring just 5.9x to 0.95x 0.5 to inches and weighing only 0.3 to pounds, the Yaever T1 is the thinnest Pico projector in the world. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly convenient to carry, allowing you to enjoy movies, games, and more on the go. Vivid and clear projection. Equipped with DLP display technology, the Yaever T1 delivers bright, vivid colors and clear images. With a native resolution of 960 by 540p, supports 1080p HD and a 3000:1 contrast ratio, this mini projector provides stunning visuals that will enhance your viewing experience. Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. Say goodbye to complicated connections. The Yaever T1 features Bluetooth 5.0 technology, allowing you to easily connect external speakers or other devices wirelessly. Additionally, the projector supports plug-and-play functionality, making it effortless to connect your phone or laptop for instant projection. Touch control interface. The Yaever T1 comes equipped with a touchscreen interface. Number 3, Rankstone Rank Case. Unlock a new level of personalization with the Rankstone Rank Case compatible with iPhone 13 series. This innovative phone case combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design to offer users a customizable and functional accessory for their devices. DIY customization. With the accompanying app, users can easily personalize their phone case with their favorite patterns and designs. Say goodbye to boring phone cases and hello to a style that's uniquely yours. Vibrant 4-color e-ink screen. Unlike previous generations, the Rankstone Rank Case features a 4-color electronic ink screen, offering users more vibrant colors and richer display effects. Enjoy stunning visuals that pop with every glance. NFC transfer. This case takes convenience to the next level with NFC transfer technology. Without the need for a battery or tail plug, data and power are transferred seamlessly via NFC+. It consumes minimal power from the phone, ensuring efficient use. Lens bracket. Keep your hands free with the built-in lens bracket. Perfect for watching videos or reading documents, this feature enhances your viewing experience while adding practicality to your daily routine. Number 2, Cyber Pro. Are you ready to embark on a journey into the depths of digital exploration? Introducing Cyber Pro, the revolutionary multi-tool designed for pen testers and hardware aficionados alike. With its sleek design reminiscent of the classic Game Boy, Cyber Pro isn't just a gadget. It's a gateway to unparalleled versatility and power in the digital realm. Cyber Pro isn't just another device. It's a game changer. From decoding radio protocols to exploring intricate hardware interfaces, Cyber Pro consolidates a myriad of research and penetration tools into one portable powerhouse. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious beginner, CyberPro's intuitive interface makes it accessible to all. Elevate your skills. With CyberPro, personal growth is just a hack away. Users can earn points and level up their skills by completing tasks and infiltrating systems. As they progress, they unlock advanced tools and functionalities, showcasing their expertise within the hacking community. User-friendly technical features. CyberPro's sophisticated features are complemented by its user-friendly interface. With directional buttons, communication buttons, and customizable script activations, navigating CyberPro's multifunctional capabilities is effortless. Plus, with a USB Type-C port for charging and device updates, and a superior quality TFT RGB screen for crystal-clear visuals, CyberPro offers maximum flexibility and convenience. Expandable memory and connectivity. CyberPro's STM3 to microcontroller boasts ample flash memory, but for additional storage, each device comes with a micro slot. This allows users to store supplementary assets and resources, enhancing the device's potential. Additionally, CyberPro's Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and infrared capabilities ensure seamless connectivity and exploration of digital landscapes. Unleash your creativity with GPIO output. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned pro, CyberPro's GPIO output offers unmatched precision. Number 1. Keeks. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency and convenience are paramount. Introducing Keeks, the all-in-one solution for streamlined access and control. Keeks is more than just a smart key fob. It's a universal remote that simplifies auto and device control. Whether you're unlocking your car, accessing your office, or managing home devices, Keeks has you covered. Say goodbye to juggling multiple remotes and keys. Keeks consolidates everything into one sleek, intuitive device. Touchscreen car key. Keeks transforms your car key fob into a smart touchscreen device. With its intuitive interface, unlocking and locking your car is as easy as a tap. Auto unlock. Paired with the CarBox accessory, Keeks offers seamless auto unlock functionality. Approach your car, and it unlocks automatically. No more fumbling for keys. Multi-car control. Ideal for families with multiple vehicles, Keeks can connect with up to 3 cars. Switching between vehicles is effortless thanks to its user-friendly interface. Keeks Lite. For vehicles with lock protection functions, Keeks Lite provides a solution. Simply attach your car key to the back of Keeks and enjoy remote control functionality without the need for CarBox. Universal compatibility. Keeks isn't limited to cars, it's compatible with a wide range of devices. With support for various radio frequencies and card types, Keeks can emulate garage door remotes, access cards, and more. Setup and compatibility. Setting up Keeks is a breeze. No complicated installations required. With CarBox, you can simply place your car key fob inside, and you're ready to go. Keeks is compatible with most popular car brands, ensuring widespread accessibility. Technical specifications. Supports multiple radio frequencies, including 315 MHz, 433 MHz, and 868 MHz.